Question 11. Find the equation of the lines containing the point A having coordinate 3 and 4 and making equal intercepts on the coordinate axis. तर इथे आपल्याला इक्वेशन ऑफ द लाईन काढायचं आहे. रेषेचं आपल्याला इक्वेशन काढायचं आहे. इक्वेशन्स ऑफ लाईन्स. ज्या रेषेवर एक पॉईंट आहे ए आणि त्याचे कोऑर्डिनेट्स आहेत 3 अँड 4 अँड मेकिंग इक्वल इंटरसेप्ट ऑन द कोऑर्डिनेट ॲक्सिस. आणि कोऑर्डिनेट ॲक्सिसवर एक्स इंटरसेप्ट आणि वाय इंटरसेप्ट हे इक्वल आहे. एक्स इंटरसेप्ट इक्वल टू वाय इंटरसेप्ट. आता आपल्याला माहिती आहे डबल इंटरसेप्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द इक्वेशन इज एक्स अपॉन ए प्लस वाय अपॉन बी इक्वल टू 1. हियर ए इज एक्स इंटरसेप्ट and B is Y intercept. Therefore A equal to here B, because a line making equal intercept on the coordinate axis. X intercept is equal to Y intercept. A equal to B. Equation first. या पण इक्वेशन फर्स्ट मध्ये. आणि आता जो पॉइंट लाईनवर आहे त्याचे कोऑर्डिनेट्स आहे 3 and 4. इट इज इक्वल टू X and Y. X equal to 3 and Y equal to 4. That is X equal to 3 and Y equal to 4. Now put this X equal to 3 and Y equal to 4 in this equation. 3 upon A plus 4 upon B equal to 1. Therefore 3B plus 4A equal to AB. 3B plus 4A equal to AB. Now put here A equal to B. From equation first, put A equal to B from equation first. Therefore 3B plus 4B, A equal to B, and B into B means B square. A is here B, A equal to B, B into B, B square. AB equal to B into B means B square. So put AB equal to B square. Therefore 7B equal to B square. Therefore B square minus 7B equal to 0. Equal to B in bracket B minus 7 equal to 0 means B equal to 0 or B equal to 7. तर इथे आपल्याला B च्या दोन व्हॅल्यू मिळाल्या आहेत. B स्क्वेअर मायनस 7B इक्वल टू 0. तर इथे आपण B कंसाच्या बाहेर घेतले आणि कंसामध्ये B minus 7 equal to 0. Therefore B equal to 0 or B minus 7 equal to 0 means B equal to 7. B minus 7 equal to 0. Therefore B equal to 7. तिथे दोन व्हॅल्यू आपल्याला B च्या मिळालेल्या आहेत. B equal to 0 or B equal to 7. B equal to 0 or B equal to 7. When B equal to 0 means A equal to also 0 because A equal to B. Therefore A is also 0. A is 0 and B is also 0. Means X intercept is here 0 and Y intercept is 0. Means that line is passing through origin. And when line is passing through origin means equation of that line is Y equal to mx. Where m is here slope. And slope means y coordinate divided by x coordinate. And point A is on this line and equal to x and y. Therefore slope is y upon x means 4 upon 3. M equal to 4 upon 3. Now put value of m in this equation. Therefore y equal to 4 upon 3 x is 3y equal to 4x. Therefore 4x minus 3y equal to 0. And this is the equation of line. That line passing through origin, and on that line there is a point A having coordinate 3 and 4. Now when B equal to 7 means that A is also 7 because A equal to B. Therefore A equal to also 7. Now put this X, A and B value in the double intercept form of the equation. Put here A equal to 7 and B equal to also 7. X upon 7 plus Y upon 7 equal to 0 means X 1 equal to 1 means X plus Y equal to 7. And this is another equation of the line. And तर इथे आपल्याला दोन इक्वेशन मिळाले 4x minus 3y equal to 0 and x plus y equal to 7. 4x minus 3y equal to 0 and x plus y equal to 7.